Dr. Apur Angoli ji, Dr. S.B. Angoli, I will call him Vicky, dear Vicky, and friends. I think it is a proud privilege for me to come down to Kolkata today and to inaugurate this wonderful clinic, Pain-Free World, the idea floated by Dr. Ganguly, an OPTM clinic I am inaugurating today. And I was fortunate enough to inaugurate the second clinic at Delhi. The first, they started from Kolkata. The second one, they came down to Delhi. The third one again, they are now in Calcutta at Salt Lake. And I think very soon they are coming down to Gurgaon. And then they will be having a clinic also at Mumbai. So they are moving very fast. And I don't know whether I will be able to go up with them or not. But I am also following them because the work which they are doing is extremely wonderful, something very scientific. And people say that, all right, if you go there, what treatment will you get? They will do some massaging, this and that. I hope it is not going to cure you. But Lady Kanoria is sitting here. She has experienced it. Even I have experienced. I had certain problem with my right leg because I was not able to walk that freely. And I think it was not, I will not say a complete 42-day treatment as prescribed by Dr. Ganguly. But still I think it was a short treatment of about 15 days. But that has made me 15 years younger. You can imagine 15 days treatment has made me 15 years younger. And I'm very comfortable now. And I'm just waiting for them to come down to Gurgaon so that the remaining treatment I can do it very well there in Gurgaon. As I said, it's a very scientific method. I wanted to say that because, going in for any medical examination, immediate recommendation is either you go in for operation or you go in for these type of antibiotics and this and that, painkiller. So many they prescribe so many things. But here, when you go, you find the treatment in a very cool manner, very systematic manner. It is in phases. You start with phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And I think by the time you complete phase 3, you are completely all right. And you come and start walking and moving around. There is some magic, as earlier people used to say, कि कोई जादू है, हाथ में जादू है. मैं कहूँगा कि डॉक्टर गंगोली के हाथ में जादू है. It is a fact. There is some magic in his hands, and the way he gets the massage done, the people he has trained. But when he comes and he himself does to a patient, it is extremely wonderful. It is really wonderful. And he has taken special care. And the best part of OPTM is with the young people like Vicky here and I am in Delhi, and the second son of Dr. Ngoli, the personal touch is very important. And the personal touch is, comes not only from Dr. Ganguly, but from his entire team. The people whom he has trained, who are looking after other patients. The personal touch makes the patient very comfortable. And वो आपको यहाँ दिखाई पड़ता है. That you could see in this clinic in Kolkata, in Delhi, and I'm sure the new one also here, you'll find the same.
I've known Dr. Ganguly and his children, his family from last 25-30 years. I was hardly 20-25 years old when I got very severe spondylosis of the neck, of the back lumbar, as well as my knees. Both my knees became totally stiff and they became bamboo, like they would be straight. I couldn't bend them. And I didn't know what happened because I have never heard of knees not bending and becoming straight. And I don't know how I met Dr. Ganguly, but he used to come home, his children were so small, And from school he used to get his children home, they used to wait while he used to give me treatment. And he has literally given me life. You can imagine that if at the age of 20-25 you have severe neck problem with pain running down your hands and headache all the time due to spondylosis and your head going round, reeling, and also from the back due to the lumbar, the pain going down the legs and knees not bending. You can imagine what quality of life I would have had. And plus with rheumatism also, you can imagine that what my life would have been today. Literally I would have been confined to bed. And I just kept following whatever he kept telling me. And I'm really, really grateful to him that I'm moving around today. And for pain, there is no doubt that he is the best. I just tell everyone, anybody has any pain, just go to Dr. Ganguly, don't think, because no therapy, no pathy in the world has this kind of a cure. And ever since then, my x-rays after the treatment gradually kept becoming better and better. And one fine day says there is no spondylosis of the neck or the lumbar or nothing, there is the gaps in the knees are fine. And this is now 25 years, and ever since then I have not got the spondylosis back or my knee problems back. And I'm really, really grateful. And I really bless both the children, they're like my children. And it's a joy to see them both grow up and manage so well, and Dr. Ganguly so well, and I wish you all the success.
Mr. Shastri, Dr. Ganguly and Vicky. You know, I came to know of Dr. Ganguly through a friend of mine because I was unable to sit cross-legged and I used to have mild pain in my knees. So when I visited him and started the treatment, I found a lot of improvement. And in the meantime, I met another patient. She used to come from Belur. I don't remember her name. And she was having a lot of pain because of spondylitis. She, was fed up with her life and she told her husband to get poison, I don't want to live. And when I met her, that time she was cured about 90%. And next time when I met her, she was almost 100% cured and she brought her mother-in-law. Then another, if you have seen the advertisement, my friend's sister, I met her and she got the treatment from Bangalore and ultimately doctors advised her to go for knee replacement. So then I happened to meet her and I advised her about Dr. Ganguly and I came with her, and you can see the difference in the X-ray before the treatment and after the treatment, and she is much better. So even in my case, I was not able to sit cross-legged, now I am able to sit cross-legged. Though there are minor pains, but to a very good extent I am cured.
My name is Abhash Siksaria. I am thankful to Dr. Ganguly. He is like a god to me. 15 years back, one fine morning, when I got up from the bed, I couldn't able to lift myself. I have shown to ample doctors. They all said, this disease is not being curable and you will be crippled lifelong. That time, I don't remember the name of the doctor who was treating Governor of West Bengal. I have showed it to him also. He said, sir, we are extremely sorry, we can't cure your disease. With the help of Mr. B.M. Kaitan, I came to know about Dr. Ganguly. He very kindly agreed and came over to my house and treated me. The third day I could able to move from my bed and can go for loo and all. And as he rightly said, in 42 days I was totally cured, and for last 15 years I have not taken any kind of medicine for the disease. I have got all the x-rays, all the reports with me. If anybody wants to see, I can very well pass it on.